So that's a view coming in by Mahesh. We have a caller from Ahmedabad again. So I would like Lokesh, the same question that you wanted to ask Malika to the previous caller there. Hi Lokesh, good evening.
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How can we help you?
Ma'am, I have NTPC Green, 50 shares at the rate of 117.
Okay.
So what do for long term, 1 year, 2 year? And one more thing, I have Tata Power again 50 shares at the rate of 361.
Okay. I'm afraid,
For
Lokesh,
2
that
years,
we'll
1
be
year.
able to take only one query. But before we proceed further with your query, my co-host Malika is very intrigued to ask you whether you attended Coldplay's concert or not in Ahmedabad.
Okay, yes.
So did you attend the
Great, ma'am.
concert? No,
No,
I
ma'am,
don't,
not
I
yet,
don't think
not
so.
yet, yes.
All right. Okay,
Right.
so on that note, let's go to Mahesh on this. Mahesh, fundamentally talking of NTPC Green, I'd like to address the quarter 3 earnings of NTPC Green that came recently. Net profit was up 18%. EBITDA margin was also at 83.9%. EBITDA was also up 7.2%. Revenue was up 13.2%. So these are some good numbers there. What do you have to say on NTPC Green? Should Lokesh stay invested? And even if for a new investor, are these the correct levels to enter?
Stock is trading at higher P. I think he can exit on a higher, some more. If any upside come, he can exit and wait for a lower level. Hey, 90 to 95 range could be a good entry level for NTPC Green. And numbers are pretty good. And the stock was trading at higher P. Then the higher P, all the stocks are beaten down. And I think these stocks can also face some more selling pressure on here onwards also. So if any upside, he can sell and exit and try to get in lower.
Okay, and Vikas, do you have the same view on NTPC Green for short term?
So the listing period is pretty short and we have witnessed good amount of upmove. So some bounce cannot be ruled out from current levels when we expect that the stock would see some amount of upmove near 215, 117. So near to that particular range, he can exit the stock.
Okay, and now we have Chaitanya, yet another call from Chennai. Good evening, Chaitanya. Please go ahead with your question.
Hi. So my query is that I hold 1,200 shares of IDFC First Bank, and I wanted a long-term view. I've bought it at an average price of 72. So looking at a long-term view here.
Okay, Chaitanya, before I take this question to our guests, I would want to understand, since 1,200 is quite a vast quantity, did you buy them together or did you aggregate them over a period of time?
I aggregated them over a period of time, but only over the last 4 months.
Okay, only over the last 4 months. And you're looking at a long-term perspective at this one, right?
That's right.
Okay. Mahesh, let's take this question to you. Chaitanya has invested 1,200 shares of IDFC First Bank and at 72 a piece. So he is sitting on a substantial amount of loss at the moment because the current price is around 56.7. And the chart also has been trading with a downward bias since the past 1 year. Plus, it also has the highest PE ratio amongst its peers. So what do you think about this particular counter? And should he add more shares of IDFC First Bank to his portfolio?
So company has recently posted the numbers. Numbers are the below the expected line, and today stock has broken 58 level. Technically, we can see the stock has broken support level, so stock can face some more downside from here onwards. Company management also guided that they are slowly reducing their MFI books also, MFI exposure also. That can be good, and their credit card business are growing well. So I think he can hold from a next 1 to 2 quarter. We can see some improvement in numbers also. We can't deny from here some more downside from here also, but that could be there could be at the 52 to 54 range could come there. If anyone want to add, then they can add further. Well, but little bit consolidation can be seen in this quarter because the last quarter number are not much pretty good. So coming quarter number can be good as per guided by management. So he can hold further, and we can see a 70 plus level in a year horizon.